tell me we can talk.
Me did tell you say I call him no Obia man.
I know you've been expecting me.
Yes, Tony told me that you would be passing through.
I know that you want to talk about the vision that you've been having from the other night. I know you're a little disturbed about it. Spoke.
What, Shepherd? Me been having some dream where, you know them say dream not travel straight, but me just need clarity.
Bubbles, those are not dreams. Those are visions. And like dreams, vision not travel straight. I know you want to get some clarity on it, and I'm here to give you them kind of clarity.
Alright, so first to commence, in the dream, in the vision, me I see a wheelchair, me see a pregnant woman, me see blood.
Clot.
Is what happened, Shepherd?
Are the blood where you talk about? The blood, the blood, the blood, the blood.
Shepherd, that part that disturbed me. Because blood in a dream, that can't be good.
Blood in a vision, what's Sarah? What else you see?
Well, I see myself in a prison too.
You say you see a wheelchair. Did you see who is in the wheelchair?
No, Shepherd, is an empty wheelchair.
That means somebody either come out of the wheelchair or somebody go in the wheelchair. You also mentioned blood. And I'm seeing a baby surrounded by blood. That is not a good sign. And I'm also seeing somebody behind bars, somebody in a prison. But I know you.
Why, Shepherd, all of this just, it's very concerning.
Me understand, but don't make it concern you too much. For me not see nothing bad happening in your immediate circle. But Bubbles, these new cases we're not taking on, we have to be careful. You hear? But the signs are not looking good.
Yes, Shepherd. Me tell Whisper and Tony and especially to be very careful.
Speaking of that Lily girl, there is something that I wanted to talk to her about the other day. But I don't know that she can manage it. So, I believe I should say to you, for your mama got one secret where you need to cough up.
Yes, Shepherd, because I feel like she concerns our mother.
And Toddy, it might not be what you're thinking. You need to find a way to get to the mama. and tell the mama say she need to talk to her daughter.
Alright, Shepherd. I will find a way.
Mm-hmm. And me have to chat to my daughter to him. Fine. In got something we not tell the boy about. Nobody say nothing to the boy, you know.
Me, Shepherd? No, sir.
You might become a medium for some of them vision here, you know. But don't worry yourself. As you get them, you call me. And I'm also seeing something else.
What that no, Shepherd?
I am seeing a hungry man with one tie on his head. What are me? You know, got nothing on the canyon.
Yes, Shepherd. I not too long come off of the road and did carrying some food, so I go feed for you.
You no matter. Bring it come.
Okay, sir.
You might give me a hard time.
You know, say, I have them here in that shop, right?
I never take my shop. I know say hurricane a come and I can't make you hungry. So
Thanks, but
you're welcome.
literally everything we in that shop.
You don't want it, me forget back?
No.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
You're
Just
welcome.
have a kid, though.
You're welcome.
Sit and talk.
Why?
Carry inside.
Oh,
Yeah.
the guy man.
Marine, he's not a good man.
Alright. The one time gunman then.
Just stop. I carry him cousin. His name Sheldon.
Alright, miss.
So what about you? You alright? The place alright?
I'm well alright, man. That place well alright. And I hurricane now come. One thing about Jamaica, we know how to pray. When we start prayer, hurricane goes boom. We good, man.
Me just want to make sure you alright and your place alright and everything back up.
From roof to floor.
So, I will help you with the putting together another season, yeah.
Hello, you forget me as a warrior. Me help myself. Me an invalid.
So, not like a friend, you know, no man friend to help you.